rotator cuff is commonly torn as we get older through wear and tear. Sometimes it's related to work injuries. It can be torn during an automobile accident or very commonly during a fall. If you have a tear in your rotator cuff, you commonly will experience pain in your upper arm. Occasionally pain will go down to your elbow. Most of the time you will have a hard time sleeping at night. You may experience difficulty raising your arm over your head. The rotator cuff is actually comprised of 4 muscles that form tendons that connect together and form a big sleeve of tissue that connect to the top of your shoulder. It is responsible for your ability to raise your arm over your head and responsible for your ability to hold things in your hand away from your body and provide significant strength of your shoulder away from your body. Most rotator cuff tears will require surgery, otherwise they will get larger and become more painful and more difficult to repair. I fix your rotator cuff using an all arthroscopic technique, which means I don't open up your shoulder with a large incision. I use 3 or 4 small incisions to access your shoulder with specialized instruments and a camera. Using this camera, I can view the inside of your shoulder and the rotator cuff on a monitor during surgery. We use specialized equipment to actually use anchors that we screw into the bone, which have specialized sutures attached to them. We pass these sutures through the torn tendon and reattach the tendon back down to the bone. After surgery, you will go home in a sling. You will be required to wear this sling for approximately 6 weeks, and you will only remove the sling for therapy and other small exercises and to bathe.